Alright, so let's talk about the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro, because this thing just leaked all over the place. And honestly, it looks like Amazfit finally gave the T-Rex series the upgrades we've been waiting for. Now, before we dive into all the good stuff, quick thing, if you're into new gadget leaks like this, hit subscribe, don't be the one hearing about it weeks later on Reddit. Okay, back to the T-Rex 3 Pro. From what's leaked, it's basically the T-Rex 3 on steroids. The design looks pretty much the same, but the changes are all about durability and extra features. For starters, you're getting two sizes this time, a big 48mm model and a slightly smaller 44mm. Both will come in different finishes like tactical black, arctic gold, and black gold, so you can go full tactical or flex with that gold trim. Now the display, that's one of the biggest upgrades. The Pro model jumps to a super bright 3000 nits AMOLED panel with sapphire glass protection instead of Gorilla Glass. That's not just shinier, it's tougher too. If you've used the regular T-Rex 3, you'll know how much of a difference that brightness bump can make outdoors. Another nice touch, titanium alloy buttons. It's a small detail, but it screams, I'm built to last. And if you're into water sports, this thing isn't just swim proof. Amazfit is certifying it for both scuba diving and free diving with 10 ATM water resistance. Then there's the feature everyone's buzzing about, the built-in flashlight, a 2-color LED flashlight right inside the watch. Garmin owners have been flexing that feature for a while, and now Amazfit's finally stepping into that lane. But it doesn't stop there. This time you're also getting a mic and speaker for Bluetooth calling straight from the watch. So you can take calls without pulling out your phone, which is something the T-Rex 3 couldn't do. For navigation, it's rocking dual-band GPS with route planning plus over 180 sports modes, and for health tracking, the new BioTracker 6.0 sensors cover everything from heart rate and SpO2 to stress and even skin temperature. Oh, and there's a new biocharge metric, which sounds like Amazfit's version of a recovery or energy score. Battery life? Still insane. The 48mm packs around 25 days of use, while the 44mm should last about 19 days. Both will run on Zepp OS 4.0 with a massive 26 gigs of storage on board. Now let's talk price, because that's always the catch. A leaked UK listing put it at £399, which likely means around $399 in the US. That's basically in Garmin territory, but still cheaper than something like a Phoenix. So if you're wondering what's really different compared to the T-Rex 3, it's all in the details. Brighter sapphire display, titanium buttons, dive certification, flashlight, speaker plus mic for calls, BioTracker 6.0 sensors, and bigger storage. The design might look familiar, but under the hood, this is a much more capable outdoor beast. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you switch from your current watch? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.